Welcome to Seven Trumpets Prepper. Guys, in this video today, I want to send a shout out for the Scriptural Sabbath Summit that will be hosted here on this channel next week on the 29th of March at 6 p.m. Eastern Time. It's going to be about restoring the calendar of creation. It's the Scriptural Sabbath Summit and restoring the calendar of creation. And I really hope that it is a help to many who, one, want to know the truth and the format of the Father's appointed times and his Sabbaths and his new moons. And I think also it will be such a help to hopefully wake up many people that are still aslumber as to this, because thinking that SAT day Sabbaths are the true Sabbath or the Roman calendar is correct and all this stuff. Hopefully this will be a massive wake up to everyone. And I hope it's going to be an all-star team on there. Brother Troy Miller is going to be there from Creation Calendar. You're going to have from True Talk Radio, you're going to have Brother Akeen and Brother Joel, and y'all know them on there as Solemn Prophet and Professor S. Going to have Brother Ari from Teachers of Righteousness on there, and you're going to have Brother Matthew Jansen from Ministers of the New Covenant, and you're going to have myself. Now, I'm got some points I'll be covering. All these men will be covering certain points. Brother Akeen will be moderating this. I'm going to be hosting it, but Brother Akeen will actually be moderating this summit, and it's not a debate. This is something very rare where you see a multitude of brothers come together of one mind and one accord. So it's going to be pretty wild, but there's so much pieces moving in the background that I'm going to try to take care and make sure that everybody's screens are good, all their content's up for them, links are working, questions in chat and stuff are being answered, and backing up Akeen's play on that. And then, of course, he's going to be keeping up with the flow of the topics and the points that we're covering and all that. And I am very excited about this. Brother's done a massive amount of work, and I'm this week going to do my part on the back end to make sure this is in place. And the link is in the video description below, where you can go ahead, go over to the stream and hit the notification to notify once that it is live. So that way you ain't got to guess that day, are they live yet or whatever. It will be when it goes live that day, that screen will be ready to rock and roll, and the link's in the video description below. And the info will be in there in case this video posts earlier than I can put it in there today. The links to all YouTube channels, ministries, all that stuff. I'm going to try to make sure all that's compiled in there today. So in the meantime, while you go over and check that out, you can also check out all these other brothers' content, their YouTubes, etc., and enjoy that content over there. In the meantime, until next week where we have the summit. Guys, please make sure to support this. If you love me and you love what I've done for you over the years in producing content that's hopefully going to help you, share this shout out for the summit coming up. Share it with people you know that keep SAT Day. Share it with people that you know keep SUN Day. Share it with people that want to know the Father's appointed times in his calendar. Share it so that it gets the word out, okay? Because this is being done out of love. This ain't being done to hate speech or beat down on people or be like, you're wrong. It's not like that. Like, there is a right way and there's a wrong way of doing things. The Father's appointed times, it works one way, folks. It's going to work that way in the new kingdom to come. All flesh will come worship before him. In the book of Isaiah chapter 66 lays this info out very clear. So if you are qualifying in the group of all flesh, which covers everyone, then I think this is a prime time to lay hold of this real estate of truth and accept it for what it is. So guys, make sure to check the link in the video description. Make sure to be there on the 29th at 6 p.m. Eastern Time. Make sure to go and support these other brothers' channels. If you ain't a subscriber there, make sure to subscribe. And guys, as always, till we see you again here at Seven Trumpets Prepper Channel, I hope Most High Yah Baruch you and keep you, make his face shine upon you, show you favor, and give you shalom, my friends. In Yahushua's name.